Hey, today I have an amazing opportunity to checking out this 2004 Legacy Outback LLBean edition with the H6 motor. So pretty much it's boxer 6-cylinder. Get the cargo space. So much space in here. A lot of space. Check out the rear interior. Amazing. All leathers. Back seat. Got a dual moonroof. Looks so clean, so amazing for 2004. Welcome to the driver's seat. The driver's seat even had the LLBean Edison's stamp on it. So all leather, power seat, wood grain steering wheel. Wow. It's amazing for 2006 model. Surprisingly for how clean this one is. Look at that. So simple back then. AC control, audio control, and everything is so simple and easy to get to. It's automatic. Alright, let's go for a ride. It's actually drive pretty good for a 16 years old car. Has 150,000 miles on it. Just love these old school wagon Outback model. They just like amazing. You can fit you can take it out on a road trips, or you can use it to hauling stuff. And of course it's a Subaru, so you can take it off-road also. It's like you can do semi off-road, and these Outback will take you there and have some fun. Handling it decent. Braking power is a little weak, but it's a heavy car, so no complaint on that one. Can always appraise the cool though. I like the wood grain steering. It look nice, and it just make the car feel like premium. And also like these wood grain detail on the audio and on the side here. It's just make the car feel it just see better value in these when you see these wood grain, and it's in good condition also. And I always want to try one of these to see how it is. Well, today I have a chance to drive one, and I like it. It's amazing. Alright, it was a nice little drive, and yeah, I like it. I like this Subaru Outback. So let me know in the comment that if you like these. What do you like about it? What don't you like about it? Please leave a comment, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Well, that was a nice drive. Subaru, 2004 Subaru Outback LLBean Edison.